you going to be ashamed of making money from the AdSense stream of revenue? I've had conversations with potential YouTube creators. And I only say potential only because they're talking about owning their own channel, but it still have not yet been done. But they do have some knowledge of what goes on. And I get the impression when I've communicated with them that working towards making a stream of revenue through AdSense is a little beneath them. It would make them seem desperate for money. And as such, it is somewhat beneath them. No, they have not said these words, but that's the impression I get when I communicate with them. It's I'm just going to do this for that. Here's the thing. The affiliate links that is being set up, it seems more something viable to their path. But let me tell you something. All these other streams of revenue that is on YouTube, and I'm referring to YouTube as a platform itself and not for the other social media, and it's kind of like the same over there too, over on other platforms. Without you really, in essence, are creating AdSense before you even earn all these other streams of income. This is about having a YouTube platform and monetizing it. It's about getting views and subscribers. And I said subscribers, because although there are streams of income that you can make without having subscribers on YouTube, you still need views. And with views comes subscriber. It goes hand in hand. You still need viewers. So for me, and I think this is what puzzled them about me, why would you go after the petty cash? The AdSense, my dear, are petty cash that adds up real fast. It is real passive income. Find me something else, another stream of revenue that is real passive income on YouTube. I am playing the long-term gain here. It's petty cash that over a period of time can be massively paying. It's a long-term gain for me. You're looking at AdSense in context, in its own name. It seems minuscule to all other stream of income. And for you downplay it. That to me is the most important revenue to me. But Claudia, you're an accountant. The numbers are not adding up. Shut up. Think about how much money you can get from that and what you're doing to get it. You're putting out quality videos. You have to produce quality videos to even get really good CPMs. That's not a revenue that you should turn your nose up at. It's the revenue that caused me to even have this channel. Once you put out these videos, especially if these videos are evergreen, and you constantly putting out more content, which is like work every day. This is really, which is like you're going to work, which you can later outsource for sure after you've had years in it and you know the game down pack. You can outsource this, and this here, all it needs is a feed of more video, a feed for it to give you good money in the long run. And these videos stay there. They're like, what did I hear someone call it? They're like digital estate, real estate, digital real estate. It gives you money. And this amount of money that you're turning up your nose at, it can pay off so well. Why would you turn your nose up at it? You're not saying it directly that that's what you're doing, or you're not saying it verbally to me that this is something that's beneath you. I get it from the conversation. I picked up telepathically what you're thinking about it. It's the only reason. It is the main source of income that entices me about YouTube. So, because let me tell you something, you can sell, I am all for a course. All for it. You can make massive amount of money from that. But understand that you need viewers to see your course from YouTube, which at the back end is giving you a lot of money AdSense that you need to buy those courses. Those viewers need to see your courses that you're advertising so they can buy more course. Once you've set up your YouTube that is of, once you've set up your video that is of good quality, there is no other call to action. Viewers will watch. That AdSense adds up. And it is a long-term game. It's not a quick fix. It's not a quick fix. But the longer you're in that, the more pain that stream of revenue becomes. That's the part you're missing out at. And I don't think many people know that. No, they're looking at the bulk of money that they can get from creating courses. And I am all for courses, don't get me wrong. I've bought many. And I have intention as we speak to buy more. I like listening to what people have to say. But that's a product you're going to have to keep selling. Yes, I know you create sales funnel and it does the work for you. Understand? That will still, you will still need to have to do work on that also. Whereas you could have done the work on a great video and it keeps making money for you. That same video that you have had years keep producing income for you. Now, you're thinking about one video. What if you have 100 videos out of the 500, 600, 700, 800 videos that you have? If you have 100 solid good one, think about what that can do for you. Especially your girl over here told you how to look for the videos that you need to double down on. There is a method to that you need to double down on. There is a formula, not a method, but a formula of what videos you need to download on, how to go in and search the analytics of what video you need. It's not just by views. what did AI call that? Videos with a gold mine videos. They look like crap without views, but look good. You'll see that there's a formula there that tells you what to do. So for all of you who are downplaying AdSense, you're going for the quick bucks. I have spent my life doing businesses heading for the quick bucks. Not me. Not me. This time I'm playing it smart. I'm taking it slowly. Every little penny comes out to something. As we would say in Jamaica, one cocoa full your basket. Every little make a muckle. Don't ask me what that means, but I hear my grandmother with it. And it's in this context that she would say Jamaican folks' words just like that. It's in this context. So it's not like I'm using it out of context. I may not know what it means, but I'm using it in context. Don't sleep on AdSense. Don't sleep on it. Think about this. When you're monetized, YouTube does not send you what do you call those? Are those out a letter to say, here, you're monetized. Now go out and sell your courses. Here, now you're monetized. Go ahead and do your affiliate marketing. Here, you're monetized. No, it says AdSense. That's what the letter says. AdSense. That's the whole, that is the source right there. Why would you want to get away from the source? Go back and look at that monetization letter that you get to confirm, to assure this is it. This is your AdSense account. Everything else is just gravy on the top. I don't know why you're going for the gravy. Just the gravy? Gravy? Everything else that you make money from, with the exception of AdSense, it's just gravy. The pennies, here's what is discouraging to some of them, and these are some of the people who have their YouTube channel. They see they're making what, 16 cents? My lighting went out. Yeah, they're making what, 16 cents? They're making 3 pennies, a nickel. And it's a turn off to them at that stage. Nobody has the patience. I went from those nickels and pennies to $15, to $33, to $40, to $100. And I was celebrating those pennies on the dollar. I was celebrating it. Yeah, I made 5 cents. What? Oh, the excitement. The excitement. So if it grew from 3 pennies, and I'm stating what's going on with my channel, if it grew from 3 pennies to 33 cents, and then now I'm seeing $37, and you're coming from far. That's a far way from where you're at. Think about what that is going to do for you in the future. While you're still scrolling on other platforms and viewing other people's video without having a channel for yourself, think about that. How much time you're wasting. Don't sleep on AdSense. Big mistake. Big mistake. Do not sleep on AdSense. This is Claudia. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.